So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok account at the bottom. So you will need to do just that. From here you can see home, friends, you can add content, you can see your inbox and profile logo. Just click on the profile. From there you can see your profile, how it will look. You can see your uploaded content. And on there, you can see the hamburger menu in the top right or the three horizontal lines. So let's just click on that. From here, you can see TikTok Studio, balance, my QR code, as well as settings and privacy. So let's click on the settings and privacy. You can see account, privacy, security and permissions, share profile, and you can see stuff for your content like notifications, live, music, activity center, then content, preferences, ads, language, and many more options underneath. So through here, just click on the activity center and it's just gonna take a bit. You can see use Face ID or Touch ID to unlock activity center. You can see watch history, comment history, search, mention, account, screen time, reuse of content history, recently deleted. Now, if you want to restore that deleted content, you can just click on the recently deleted. And if you have some videos or content that you've created through there and you've deleted it, but you may have changed your mind and want to bring back those deleted videos, you can just do it through here. So it's that uh, not that complicated. Just go through the recently deleted videos and find which one you want to repost. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.